So we want to look at the next steps here for this research question. So we looked here at the effect of the behavior chart on these level 2 behaviors in this 5th grade classroom. We really looked at this chunk between November and the end of the first semester. So the first thing I think that we should do is make sure we extend that throughout the school year and look at the different cycles, but then also maybe start moving that down grade levels to see if we could get all of intermediate using the same intervention, and maybe we wouldn't have so many of these issues in 5th grade if we start earlier.
Does it make sense, or I wonder if it would make sense to start at primary grade levels? Does that?
Yeah, that's something that we could really look into as well, because remember the research said we wanted to start as early as possible, so if this is something that we could adapt for primary, that would be great as well. And the other thing that I thought about throughout the data, when I was looking at the data, I was interested to see if this data would be different depending on the teacher, because it's not actually the piece of paper, but it's having an effect on these students. And not necessarily is it the iPad time that's having the effect on the students, but it could be that coaching time that's going on during that check-in and check-out time. Because what kind of conversation is that teacher having with the student when they don't meet that expectation, where they're not going to get their reinforcement? And that coaching is something we really need to look at, training teachers and having, and making sure we're talking to the students still in a positive way, letting them know they didn't do it this time, but you're going to do it next time. And these are some things that you can do to help you get there.
So how does that coaching happen?
There would be some training that we would want to set up. That's probably something our PDIS team could get involved with, and looking for some outside resources to come in and help train our teachers for that.